Hi there, creators! It's me, Glenda. Ready to start making your own games and stories in Scratch Jr.? Before we begin creating, let me show you something very important, the user interface. What's a user interface? Well, it's everything you see on the screen that helps you use the app. The buttons, tools, and menus, all working together to help you create. Today, I'll guide you through Scratch Jr.'s user interface so you know exactly where everything is and how it works. So, let's dive in and start exploring. First, tap on the Scratch item to open Scratch Jr. Woohoo! You first see the startup screen with a few buttons. We will talk about them later. Let us directly dive in. Tap the House button. Let me explain to you what you're seeing right now. This is the home screen, our starting point for every awesome project. This icon here at the top indicates that we are exactly in the home screen. Next to it, there is a question mark. You already saw it on the startup screen. If you tap on it, a new page opens. There you can watch a video about Scratch Jr. or explore some projects. Let's tap the video. It takes some time to load. And let's open one project. We will make our own projects in the next videos. Now let's go back to the home screen. At the top on the right, you'll see a gear icon for the settings. Does it look familiar? It is the same as the one on the startup screen. You probably won't need that just yet, but it's there if you want to change the language, for example. Let's try French and go back to the home screen. Next to the gear, there's a little book. That's the help section where you can find tips if you get stuck. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you. Let's tap that book. Well, I don't understand anything in French, so let's change back to English. Aha, that's better. We will go back to the home screen. And now, the most important part. In the top left corner, you'll see a big white square with a plus sign. That's the button to start a brand new project. Just tap it when you're ready to create something amazing. Next to it, you might see some little pictures. Those are your saved projects. If you've already made something, you can tap one to open it and keep working. Look at the cool projects that we will develop together. So, what do you say? Ready to tap that big plus sign and start creating? Let's go!